Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get inside of this Canon Pixma TS3720 series printer. Main reason why you may want to do that is to remove a paper jam, to clean the inside of the printer, or to replace parts. There could be other reasons, but those are three main ones. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. To get this job done, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. And first, let's remove the screws in the back. There's one here and another one there. Now let's go ahead and open this cover. We're going to need to remove this cover right here. Just by going around, you can do it with the help of a flathead screwdriver or just by hand. There's 3 screws that hold this panel. It has all the controls on it. Gently lift this. You can remove screws by letting them fall on the table. Gently set this over here. We need to remove one more screw, and it's this one, not this one or this, is this one right here. You can just set this over here for now so it doesn't get damaged. Open this top cover, and since we have the back already unscrewed, you can see that it lifts just like that. We're going to, with the help of a flathead screwdriver, just also lift the front. So just kind of go here and as you pull this side up, you can see wherever it's still stuck, you can just keep going. Keep in mind that it's still connected on this side. You can always disconnect it before pulling it up, but you have, this goes to the scanner. This is a scanner cord that you can just disconnect as it goes here, and this is our panel. So these are the only 2 cords that you need to disconnect on here. And now you're inside of your printer. We have the main board right here, our timing strip, the ink cartridge carrier, and this is the mechanism that cleans the print heads and keeps the ink cartridges from drying out. Also, an easier access to the rollers right here, the pickup rollers, to put everything back after you're done doing whatever you wanted to do in here. We're going to go ahead and kind of bring it over and then connect the wire. The contact pins should be facing the pins on this port, and just slides in there. After we connected the scanner wire, you just go ahead and set this down. Now let's reconnect the control panel. So you can see the way this one goes. So if it's flipped over, it's going to go that way. Kind of like this. And then it turns in here. So this is the way it goes. It also just slides in there. It is much easier to just connect it before connecting the scanner wire. Much better access there. Okay, got that connected in there. Now we can put the screw back in over here. And put this back. And reattach with the screws. Before you put the screws back onto the control panel, I recommend checking to make sure you have connected everything properly. So just go ahead and turn the printer on, plug it in, turn it on, make sure the front cover is closed. My printer seems to be in working order, doesn't show me any errors. And then we can just continue putting the screws back into here and here. Now we can snap the cover back on. And reattach the screws on the back of the printer. And we're all set. There we go. So this is how you do it. Please don't forget to like this video if it was helpful. Comment in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel. Have yourself a great day.